The laryngeal skeleton consists of 9 cartilages, 3 single and 3 paired. The largest cartilage is called the thyroid cartilage. Its superior borders and superior horns articulate with the hyoid bone via the thyrohyoid membrane. Its inferior horns articulate with the cricoid cartilage at the cricothyroid joints. The cricoid cartilage is found inferior to the thyroid cartilage. As you can see, it gets larger as we rotate posteriorly. The cricoid cartilage articulates with the inferior margin of the thyroid cartilage via the median cricothyroid ligament. It also articulates with the first tracheal ring via the cricotracheal ligament. The arytenoid cartilages are 3-sided pyramidal cartilages that articulate with the lamina of the cricoid cartilage at the cricoarytenoid joints. They also articulate with the corniculate cartilages that can be seen at the superior end. The epiglottic cartilage is an elastic cartilage that allows for flexibility when swallowing. It articulates with the thyroid cartilage via the thyroepiglottic ligament, and it attaches to the hyoid bone via the hyroepiglottic ligament, which is not seen here. The cuneiform cartilages do not articulate to any other cartilage. They can be found in the quadrangular membrane, which we'll talk about in a minute, and are indicated by these small ridges. They serve to hold open the membrane as well as create stiffness along the edge. Now we're going to talk about the 2 sets of vocal folds found in the larynx. Between the arytenoid cartilages and the epiglottis, you will find the quadrangular membrane, seen in blue. The lower edge of this membrane makes up the vestibular ligaments. These ligaments are covered by mucosa that form the vestibular folds or the false vocal folds. The true vocal cords are formed by mucosa membranes that cover the upper edge of the conus elasticus. The conus elasticus is a membrane that attaches to the arytenoid cartilage, the thyroid cartilage, and the cricoid cartilage. Its superior borders are free and form the vocal ligament, which are covered by the vocal folds. These ligaments run from the midline of the thyroid cartilage to the tip of the vocal process on the arytenoid cartilage. Lastly, these 2 folds create 3 regions. There's the vestibule, the ventricle, and the infraglottic cavity. One other thing to note is that the space between the true vocal cords is called the rima glottidus.